All right, we learned about period. Now let's talk about frequency. As I said before, the period is basically how long it takes you to make one swing. So from here, so we start, stop. Our frequency is actually how often we make one swing. Not how long, but how often, all right? Our frequency is how many times in 1 second do we make one swing. And we can measure our frequency by this. We say, okay, here's our period. Our period is equal to 1 over our frequency. Or better known, if you multiply your period and your frequency together, it'll equal 1. So let's say we had a period of 0.33 seconds. We had a period of 0.33 seconds. All right, it takes 0.33 seconds for this to make one swing. What is our frequency? Well, we'll say, okay, 0.33 is equal to 1 over our frequency. Let's multiply by f on both sides. Okay, so now we have f times 0.33 is equal to 1. So say, okay, f is then equal to 1 over 0.33. Let's do that in our calculators right now. And we get our frequency is equal to 3. But that's written in hertz. Hz. Capital H, little z. That's how you find your frequency. All right, what if we're given a frequency? What if we're given a frequency, but we're asked to find our period? Let's erase this. Let's say this pendulum can make 2 full swings in a second. What is the period? All right, we'll say, okay, t is then equal to 1 over 2 hertz. Well, 1 over 2 is basically a half, so that means our period is equal to 0.5 seconds. Basically, that's it. I mean, this is the formula you got to remember. It's very simple, very easy when we're dealing with pendulums. Just keep that in mind.